Hi there, this is your motivational director, this is your yoga trainer, and this is your life skill teacher, Dr. B.K. Chaudhary from GBK MRI. Dear children from Kerala, my paramedics, life saving, the frontline heroes, first of all, I congratulate you for being such an important part of our organization GBK MRI, because our chairman, our directors, they all trust you so much. But for you, we could not really produce the results which we are really striving for, saving lives of the millions of the people. But you are the real field hero on the front who fulfills the dreams and aspirations of our organization GBK MRI and EMLC. So I thank you very much. But as being a yoga trainer, a motivator, and a person who will teach you life skill, I will really tell you that in every walk of life you have to be very wonderful. As you are paramedics, you have to be a great leader, and as a great leader, you should always have a vision, always have a goal, you should always have a definite purpose, you should have always good understanding with your team, good cooperation, you should have a balanced mind, a well-controlled mind, you must be very decisive, you must have a perfect plan of action so that really you can really implement and save the lives, because that is a very important assignment you have got. You have to do more than what you are paid for. You should develop more and more skill. You should try to be more and more mastery of your own field so that the followers will also listen to you. You should have keen sense of justice to everyone. You should not discriminate anyone. You should also have sympathy and understanding with your people. These are the virtues you have to develop as a great leader. You must be very bold and brave. You should never procrastinate. You should never be timid. You should never be fearing or never be giving any chance to doubt and fear in your treatment to the patients, otherwise you cannot save lives. So these are few of the traits of a great leader as my paramedics. Second topic is very important. What is your time management? Your life is your time. 24 hours we have all got, but somebody become very successful and somebody is not. It is how effectively, how objectively, and how very accurately you are using your time by accurate thinking. So you have to give priorities. The most important priority of your life is to save life. For this you should master your subject, that is the priority. And then in the field you should do justice to your job. And when you are doing this, you need to be physically very strong and mentally also very controlled and balanced. For this, dear friends, what I feel, our chairman and myself and any successful person pay full attention to their physical fitness and mental fitness, and that we are training by yoga. Yoga is the process, a philosophy, a science and art of living, where we can make your body very strong and make your mind very well controlled and directed towards a specific goal. Body we make very strong by yogasana and pranayama, and I make your mind very strong by meditation. Meditation is the repeated suggestion, repeated dwelling and contemplating on the specific subject. Like in yoga we are teaching yama and niyama. In yama we teach to be non-violent, to be truthful, to be non-stealing, to have absolute control on your sexual desire, and also to be non-possessive. In Sanskrit that is called ahimsa, satya, astya, brahmacharya, aparigraha. Then your own responsibility to your life, that is called niyama. I teach people to be clean, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. You have to be a very clean person. Then we teach people to be contented, because there is no end to our desires. The more we get, the more we want. So you have to be contented in your life, whatever little you have got. Happiness is the outcome of your contented life. Then whatever you want in life, you have to be very hardworking. That is, we have to go extra mile, work harder and harder. That is called tapasa. And then another term is personal initiative, swadhyaya. Everyone is not with you. Nobody will help you in the field. You can really consult your, the emergency care center physicians, but you should try to learn yourself much and more. That is called personal initiative. And then you should believe in the natural law, what we call Ishvara Paridhana. Natural law, the spiritual law and natural law, that will help you every time. So these are the topics to be meditated, contemplated. You should seek your happiness not outside of your life, but your all happiness, all your intelligence and wisdom is within yourself. That is called pratyahara. Don't search happiness in gossip. Don't waste your time with a lot of friends. Have minimum friends, but the most important friend is your job, your own family. Pratyahara means introvert. Search happiness within yourself. Happiness and joy not outside your world. It is very much within yourself. And then is dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Means concentration, deep meditation. That way you can be a wonderful person. So that is the tricks of yoga. That has been described in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So that is the way you can make your body strong and your mind very well disciplined and well organized. Dear friends, I have also tried to cover topics on communication. You should be a good listener as a good leader, and you should really be able to influence your subordinates to listen to you. That comes by clear, concise, courteous communication. Your words should be so pleasant that they should listen to you and they should follow you. You have not to make them slaves, but you have to work as a very good team. I have also covered medical ethics. In medical ethics, the patient has the right to decide whether she or he will accept your treatment or not. Then your attitude should be to help them. Beneficence. You are there to make them beneficial. And you are never to harm them by your any kind of mischief or arrogant and lack of self-control. Never hurt and harm them. And you have to do justice to your patient. Then I have also covered a topic called, that empathy. That is very important. Every medical paramedics or doctors must have not only pity or sympathy with the patients, rather they should have empathy. Empathy means you treat the patient in the similar circumstances as your own son, daughter or father, mother is there. Rather you are yourself in that circumstances. Then what you will do? With that intensity of love and affection and passion, you should treat those patients. So dear friends, the broad topics I have covered. And lastly, I love you and respect you children, daughters and sons, and you should be better than us. Work very hard, be concentrated, be focused, be safe and secure, commit yourself, make your life very meaningful. And I will tell you 2 poems line that is very important. Never behave like a cattle, as sometimes people do because of lack of self-control and self-discipline. In this world, broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a dumb driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. You have to behave like a hero because you are our hero. Also, lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Define yourself. Who are you? Why people should respect you? Why you are living? What is the meaning of your life? What is the purpose of your life? That is really going to make you a wonderful person. And you have to certify yourself, self-certified grown-up individuals. You have not to go for opinions. There are a lot of people who will criticize you. A lot of fools will laugh at you. Forget about them. You should know exactly what you are doing because you have learned yoga. Yama, niyama, pratyahara, dhyana, samadhi, asana and pranayama. So be the master of your subject and don't listen to others. What is truth, that you should only learn and that you should only practice. So I thank you very much for being my student today, and we are connected. I am sure you have subscribed my channel, Virendra DR channel. That is a motivational channel, a success channel. So you can get benefit from lot of videos I have made for my paramedics, for my, the emergency care physicians. That will be helping you. Thank you viewers. Thank you children. Thank you my teammates. Thank you very much.